to question 15. How do you determine the molar mass of heptane? Okay, so let's pretend like we don't know the chemical formula for heptane. So let's try to analyze the name. So it has a prefix of hept, which tells us that there are 7 carbons in the parent chain. And the fact that it ends in ane just tells us that there are all single bonds involved. Or only single bonds involved. So if this compound ended in ene, we'd know that there would be a double bond. If it ended in ine, then we know that there is a triple bond. So since heptane only ends in ane, then there are only single bonds involved. So now I can draw out 7 carbons to make a chain. And since carbon can have 4 bonds attached to it, I'm going to fill out the rest of them with hydrogens. So now that I have the long chain of heptane, I can figure out its chemical formula. So it'll just be C7H16. Okay, so now that I know how many atoms of carbon and hydrogen are in heptane, I can calculate its molar mass. So it's going to be 7 times the molar mass of carbon, since there are 7 atoms of carbon, and then 16 times the molar mass of hydrogen. Again, these individual atomic masses can be found on the periodic table. For carbon, it is just 12.01 grams per mole. And for hydrogen, it is 1.01 grams per mole. Okay, so adding these values up, we get a total of 100.21 grams per mole. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. The molar mass of a substance is the sum of the molar masses of all the atoms in the substance. For heptane, with a molecular formula of C7H16, the molar mass is the sum of the molar masses of all carbon and hydrogen atoms, which are 12.01 and 1.008 grams per mole respectively. Calculation is shown below. Yep, so they also got 100.205, so this solution is correct.